Hey guys and gals, welcome back to my channel. Figured I'd give you all a little update on the Ram 1500 Hemi with the 5.7. Right now I think I'm at 8,759 miles. So far so good. Didn't get to go as far as I wanted to. You know, I wanted to put a blower on top of this and everything. The budget just didn't allow. But I'll tell you this much, guys. This thing, she runs pretty good. Should get up there and get close to breaking the sound barrier, but not just yet. I've got some codes reading. I'm getting too much fuel on number one, number two. I did go with some cheap injectors, which was an idiot move off of Amazon. Coils, they're cheap coils, but you know, coils are coils. You'd be able to tell once they start separating whether they're bad or good. Now, I could have probably got some hotter coils. I'm gonna get some different injectors. I need to have this thing tuned. The computer gets confused with the cam. It'll cam, I'll reset it. It'll cam for a little while, and then the computer gets all out of whack and everything, and it starts going crazy. Just ordered a Detroit axle front end kit for this truck. I just put 4 brand new shocks on there, switched out the rims. I need to fix some rust around here. But you can't beat this. I think I paid $122.49. And I mean, it comes with everything. Upper control arms, lower ball joints. You got tie rod ends. I mean, everything is in here, 10-piece, to go ahead and fix that front end. Because I tell you, you get her up there near the sound barrier going down the road, and she starts to wanting to do, and you're like, I might want to slow down just a little bit, and the truck's she's just swaying. I think I want to lower the stance in the back, make her match the front. There's no sense, and you guys tell me, put it down in the comments below. Should I lower the back or raise the front? Now my green truck, it's raised in the front, but I think this one needs to be dropped down in the back a little bit. Getting ready to order OEM rebuilt Posi rear for the back. Had some guys on my videos picking on me about the one tire burn down or smoke down, whatever. Yeah, it was kind of funny, but heck, you got to do it. You get her going. Once I hit the break-in miles, I had to smoke it down, one tire or not. Oh, now to the old 4.7. I'm on the fence with this one. Now, I have another block. If you guys follow along my channel and watched videos where it was locked up, sitting in my garage, ready to go. Actually, wife brought me home a engine case. I was going to throw it in. But as much money as I dumped in this one, I'm like, wow. You know, man ain't rich on a budget. So I went ahead and pulled the front timing chain cover, because I've watched some videos and people have said they replaced their 4.7s in their trucks because they took it to a shop and they said it's your bottom end, you got a bottom end knock, need to replace it. They pulled the motor, put the other motor in, but then they wanted to know what was wrong with the one they took out. Was it really a bottom end? Well, I'm on the fence with this one, guys and gals, because see if I can get you in here, get you focused. This gear is slopping around. I know it keeps going in and out of focus, guys, sorry. This tensioner has a crack in it. I have not pulled the valve covers. That's my next step, to check up here on the cams and see if they've been eaten. But here's where I'm at on this one. The timing chain cover on the inside has a groove ate in it. And she is, now I checked the other cover on the other motor. I did see some telltale machining marks and stuff like that, but this is 8 slam into this cover. Thing is though, it's kind of not exactly lined up to where it's almost like it's the, I don't know what's doing it. The chain, the bolt, the gear itself. I don't know if I want to go ahead and replace the timing chain on this thing and take a risk of spending $300 in parts and stuff, but that's still better than $4,000 or $5,000. And see if that's the problem. I don't see any metal at all in the oil pan. You would think if I had busted a rod or something or spun a bearing, you'd find some metal down there, but I'm not. So don't know what to do. I'm on the fence with this one. You know, I've got the other motor sitting in the shop, ready to send it off and get it fixed, but I think I'm going to go with plan A. Get a timing chain and gears, put that in here. But first, we got to fix the daily. This thing, that going down the road when people want to get up behind me and they, you know, anyway, I can't say how fast I've been. It'd be stupid if I did, but had a Corvette the other day. Brand new Corvette. Tried to walk the dog on me. Well, that dog was not walking. Trust me on that one. I stayed with him, on him. He couldn't get away from me. Now, you know, yeah, he probably could have, I guess, in the right situation. But, hey, she kept with him. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and fix the front end on this. I've got to order another rear end because I got some popping and snapping and stuff going on under the back. I don't know if it's from spinning tires. I know the helper springs are broke. But we need to go back with the Posi because that limited slip, that ain't there anymore. I'm going to go ahead and do that. This one I'm going to be working on little by little. This one's first and foremost. That's my daily. This one, I'd rather have it as my daily and have this one as a play toy, but, you know, circumstances have changed in that sense. Well, if any of you out there, I have to ask, know anything about, is it possible? Man, sorry about the lighting, guys. The sun is like right, let me see if I can get over here where, nope, it's going to be right smack in it. Anyway, is it possible that chain and stuff's smacking around, jumping around, hitting this cover and making it sound like a bottom end knob? Let me know. Put it in the comments section down below. I really, really would appreciate it. I know there's a lot of mechanics and stuff out there that have built these things over and over again. You guys know better than I do. I really could use the help. I just don't want to waste a bunch of money unnecessarily and rebuild another engine. It makes no sense. I've had guys say, yeah, get a 6.4, put it in there. Get a 5.7, put it in there. I got to change too much stuff around. I work for a living. Oh, I'm not rich. Maybe I'll call Elon, see if he'll send me a few bucks. Good luck with that one. Anyway, guys, I'll shoot another video here soon and let you guys know where we're at. Once I get the Posi in there, I'll give you guys a real smoke down. But until then, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. If you have not hit the subscribe button, subscribe, follow along. I'm an idiot. I don't know everything about motors. I don't build them for a living, but gotta try. Man, the money that you spend for rebuilding a motor is just absolutely crazy. Thanks, guys. Catch you on next time.